Here's my parents.
Mickey and Dee Newman were always a package deal.
They lived in Brooklyn. They lived in the same apartment for 60 years. And they were never separated. They never went on a trip without each other. They never went to a party without each other.
February 11th, 1961.
They were only apart one time in their 60 years of marriage, while living in separate care facilities. The dream was always to get back to each other, a chance they didn't get in this life. Mickey passed away in his facility of COVID-19 on March 30th. Dee just 2 weeks later.
Yeah, we're Roman Catholic. We couldn't have the normal burial that they deserved. Couldn't see them, couldn't hold their hand, couldn't go near them. The hospital called after my mom had died and she was dead. They wanted you to come and see her through a glass window. That's not how it's supposed to be.
In the 46 days Governor Andrew Cuomo's directive ordering nursing homes to take in COVID-positive patients was in place, more than 6,000 patients with the virus were placed into facilities. To date, the number of people who died of COVID-19 in nursing homes, assisted living facilities, and rehabilitation centers is more than 15,000. Now the loss is front and center. Faces of lives cut short and families torn apart. The We Care Memorial Wall was put up in front of the Cobble Hill Health Center.
It's a hard picture to look at.
Where Peter Arbini's dad, Norman, caught COVID-19.
The governor said 28%, 33%. That's just thousands of people. So I wanted to put their faces on a wall because a number is a person, is a family.
Peter and his brother Daniel have now become advocates for their father and the thousands of others who they say Governor Cuomo put in danger.
On March 15th, he locked us out of the nursing homes. On March 25th, he sent COVID in. We still don't have an apology.
Threatening me to lie for him.
Assemblyman Ron Kim, who has been one of the most outspoken critics against the governor's handling of nursing home deaths, says he was threatened if he did not help Governor Cuomo cover up what Kim calls a fatal error.
The moment he ordered me to issue a lie, he passed an unethical and perhaps an illegal point that now I had a duty to push back and fight for our constituents. I made promises to these families behind me.
An apology won't bring these people back, but those missing them say they're still waiting for one.
So who cares? We care. We need people to care.
And they'll continue to wait until they get justice. In Cobble Hill, Jessica Easthope, Currents News.
If you're watching Currents News on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get updates to all of our newest content, because we are putting your faith in the news.